Hi besties, it's Oma here and you're welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're a content creator or you're aspiring to be one, then you've just found a new favorite corner on YouTube. When you want to start a YouTube channel, grow on social media, create engaging videos, or finally monetize your content. Whether you're interested in video editing, the right tools to use, or how to use AI as a creator, this channel is here to guide you step by step. As we all know, content creation can be overwhelming at times. Even when we have the ideas and the passion, we still battle with the right tools to use, how to edit our videos without spending hours, how to turn our content into income. This is exactly what we'll be discussing on this channel. Every week, I'll be dropping new videos filled with practical tips, tutorials, and strategies so you can create confidently, edit smarter, and build a brand that actually earns. So click on the subscribe button. By subscribing, you are joining a growing community of smart and creative people who are ready to work smarter and not harder. Also, turn on your post notifications so you don't miss out on any of my videos. Thanks, guys, for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.